A 1 minute time card on the seniors. A rolling time card. The gate is dropped. The seniors are out rocking. Trying to get the whole shot. And who else? James Hielman. Sambo. James Hielman through the whoops. And he's coming around. Still with the lead, it's James Hielman. James Hielman being chased by Robert Spies. Bob, I don't know if you can catch James. He's looking hot. Quads up on the line. Quads up on the line. 125A to stage. Quads on the line. 125A to stage. James Hielman opening up his lead through the whoops. Here he comes around, folks. Here's your leader, James Hielman. Nice air, James Hielman. A great battle for second place here. Glenn Scherr. James Hielman opening up that lead big time. Glenn Scherr looking like he wants to get up to second place. Glenn sponsored by Torque Center, Southeast Sales, and Spectro Oils. It's all James Hielman. Robert and Glenn, second and third. A good battle at second and third, but it's all James Hielman up top. Whoa. We got one down to the spectator. He's up. Well, tell me you're leaving. We out of here. Oh, I'm leaving. You're handling it. Hell, I haven't been here all day. You're handling it well. Yeah. I'm getting to know some of these guys, Nate. I mean, you know, the top guys are top guys. Didn't I tell you this? Yeah. Didn't I tell you this? I mean, it's, you know, brain surgery. Yeah. But it's fun, though. Yeah. James Hielman all over the course. Is this Spies? I think it's Spies, but I'm not sure. Well, I call him Bob. Well, I almost called him in last place, so. Letters on my way. I'll be racing next year. Cool. A great air by James Hielman on his white flag lap. Nothing but James Hielman today, folks. James Hielman coming around the backstretch through the plateau. His last trek through the whoops. Nobody can catch James Hielman. The checkered flag for James Hielman. What a great race, James.